Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Hey everyone, it's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? What we have here is a 54-inch Royal Crown tin sign, self-framed. What's unique about this, or at least to my eyeballs, I've not seen before, is this Good Housekeeping Bureau tag that's on it. It's got some patina, but it's all off the artwork. Looks really in pretty good condition. Again, it's embossed. So if you are a fan of something big, bold, and Royal Crown with Good Housekeeping, I believe this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.